Hi, good day all of you. Welcome to our session. Welcome to our channel Intelligible Tutorials. In this today's session, we are going to talk about the ranking algorithms of information retrieval systems. Now we are at the information retrieval systems. Already I have completed some of the videos on information retrieval system. In this video, I want to give a clear introduction of the ranking algorithms. What is the use of ranking algorithms? How the ranking algorithms can be used for searching of item in the information retrieval systems. Okay, so normally ranking of algorithms can be used by we can select some set of the items, whatever items we want to select. Those items can be ranked, top prioritized items and least prioritized items. Ranking algorithms facilitate us to extract the top prioritized items. They can be ranked very high and they can be extracted as high ranking items, and they can be extracted, and least ranking items can be extracted later. Like that, the ranking can be ranking can be uh, most effective and more important in extraction of the items from the information retrieval systems database. Okay, the use of similarity measures for selecting hit items is the value that can be used in ranking the output. So whatever similarity measures we make along with the ranking also we can use for selecting of the output. And ranking is one of the most important output. It is ordering of the output of all items according to the query, which are most liked items, which are most relevant items are ranked high, and least relevant items are ranked later. Okay, so whenever we use this kind of the ranking algorithms, this ranking algorithm, it can reduce the overhead of the user by displaying the most likely relevant items first. Those can be treated as the high ranking items first. Okay, and ranking is nothing but one kind of ordering, the ordering from high priority high relevant items to the least priority and as well as least relevant items. Okay, so next we are going to talk about the types of ranking algorithms. See here, ranking algorithms are divided into two types. Number one, it is called as fine grained ranking. Number two, it is called as coarse grained ranking. So what is fine grained ranking and what is coarse grained ranking? Now we are going to see. There are a lot of differences in fine grain and coarse grain ranking. How they will help us in ranking of the items, now we see. Okay, so in most of the commercial systems, heuristic rules retrieval where first uses inversion list to identify the potential relevant items. Okay, so most of the information retrieval system commercial applications which implements the heuristic rules, here we are going to use the retrievalware is one of the efficient software best example for retrieving the information from the information retrieval system. It is one of the best server which extracts the information from the information retrieval systems. So first it uses some kind of the inversion list to identify the relevant items. Directly such kind of the servers won't apply directly the fine grained ranking and as well as the coarse grained ranking. First of all, they will apply the inversion lists. Okay, so after inversion list, then fine grain and then coarse grain. Okay, the application, the serial ordering of the application, the first one it is nothing but 1 minute. It is first one inversion list. Okay, it is the first one. Second one, it is second order, it applies either fine grain or coarse grain. So inversion list is one of the important algorithm here. So already we have discussed regarding the inversion list, how to extract the relevant items based on the inversion list. Here we have already seen, and then we apply either coarse grain or fine grain ranking to extract the relevant items, potential relevant items. Okay, so like this we make use of the inversion lists and ranking algorithms. Next, we see the differences between fine grain and coarse grain rankings. What are the various differences between the fine grain and coarse grain ranking? See here, in the fine grain ranking, the exact rank of the item is calculated, whereas the coarse grain ranking is based on the presence of the query terms within the items. So, exact rank of the item, whether the particular item is present or not, if at all it is present, then the ranking can be calculated. Okay, how many times it is present, what is the relevant items, what are the items relevant to it, everything will be calculated based upon the ranking. But coming to the coarse grain ranking, it is based on the query terms. We have used some terms in the query, so based on the query terms, this coarse grain ranking is implemented. Okay, in fine grain ranking considers the physical location of the query terms and related words using the factors of the proximity in addition to other three factors in coarse grain ranking. So just remember what are the things to be remembered in the fine grain ranking. Here it is. The first one, what it considered, the physical location of the query items. First it considers. Then it considers the related words and using the factors of the proximity. Proximity is one kind of the similarity measure. And other three other factors used in coarse grain ranking. So what are the factors used in coarse grain ranking? All these things now we are going to see. So what are the things considered in the fine grain ranking? Number one, first one is the physical location of the query terms. Number two, the related terms. And number three, the proximity. And all other terms related to the three other factors. Now coming to the coarse grain ranking, it is based on the presence of the query terms within the items. We will use some kind of the query terms to extract some kind of the terms in the query. So these terms are matched or not within the items, are existing or not within the terms. So coarse grain ranking is based on the query items within the query terms within the items. And coarse grain ranking uses what it uses. Here it uses weighted formula that can be adjusted based on the completeness and contextual evidence of or variety and semantic distance. So three factors are used in the coarse grain ranking. Number one, it is weighted formula. Number two, it is variety, contextual evidence. Number three, it is semantic distance. Meaningfully, both are relevant or not. Semantic distance means what? Meaningfully, both are relevant or not. So these three factors also taken into the consideration of the fine grain ranking. So comparing to both kinds of the rankings, we can say fine grain ranking is the good measure and it is better method for the ranking. Okay, so the coarse grain ranking is a weighted formula that can be adjusted based on the completeness and variety and semantic distance, meaningful distance. Okay, so these three things based on the coarse grain ranking. But comparing to both, fine grain ranking is the better one, and fine grain ranking is considered as the very good and efficient here. Okay, and now we are going to talk about the next one. See, if the terms related terms and query terms occur in close proximity, then the item is judged more relevant. For example, look at this particular example. Okay, sorry, this is nothing but two words, computing and computer. So these three are different from three units. So compute up to now it is okay, but first term is different three terms the to the second term. So they differ in three units. The related terms and query terms occur in what is the proximity here is three units, the proximity. Okay, so the distance between these two items is determined as 3 units. Okay, so the related terms and the query terms occur in close proximity of 3 units. What are the words? The computing and as well as the computer. So like that we have seen the ranking of the algorithms. What are the ranking of the algorithms? Topmost relevant items can be given by using these ranking algorithms, and again divided into two types: fine grained ranking and coarse grained ranking. And in the fine grained ranking, whenever these ranking algorithms are not directly applicable, after inversion list only we can apply these ranking algorithms, and compare it to both. Fine grained ranking is the better one, and it takes the exact rank of the item is calculated. But whereas here it is presence of query items within the items are not based on that, it is calculated. And semantic distance and variety factors, these are the three main factors in the coarse grain ranking. And coming to the fine grain ranking, proximity and related words and the other three factors in the coarse grain, it take into the consideration of all in the fine grain ranking. Okay, so and finally the proximity can be represented as computing and computer. They differ in three units. So this is nothing but the ranking algorithms. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. So this completes the total subject of the information retrieval systems. Okay, so for more videos also you can watch my channel, and you can subscribe, watch and share all my videos. Thank you for watching.